The universe is not chaos, it is music. At least that's how Johannes Kepler saw it. To him, the planets moved not just by force, but by harmony, cosmic notes in a grand celestial symphony. Born in 1571 in the German town of Wilderstadt, Kepler grew up in a Europe torn by religious wars. Frail in health but fierce in intellect, he was drawn to mathematics, astronomy, and the belief that the universe was built on geometric perfection. Kepler's life changed when he joined the court of the brilliant Danish astronomer Tycho Brahe. Tycho had the most precise astronomical data in the world, but he guarded it closely. Kepler, determined to unlock its secrets, worked tirelessly at calculations. Through years of effort, Kepler uncovered patterns hidden in planetary motion. First, he shattered the ancient belief in perfect circles, discovering that planets moved in elliptical orbits with the sun at one focus, his first law. His second law revealed that planets sweep out equal areas in equal times, moving faster when closer to the sun. This was not the clockwork of Aristotle, it was the living geometry of the heavens. Then came the third law, linking a planet's orbital period to its distance from the sun. This was more than math, it was a key to the harmony of the cosmos, what Kepler called the music of the spheres. But Kepler's path was not easy. He faced religious persecution, the death of family members, and political chaos. Yet through it all, he believed that in the order of the heavens lay proof of a divine mind. Kepler's ideas built the bridge between Copernicus and Newton. His laws explained the how of planetary motion, preparing the way for Newton's theory of gravity. Philosophically, Kepler showed that science and beauty could be one, that mathematics could be poetry. His work was both a triumph of logic and an act of faith in the intelligibility of the universe. Johannes Kepler died in 1630, but his harmonies still play in every astronomical calculation today. He taught us that to understand the sky, we must listen, not just look, for in the movement of the planets, the universe still sings.